Empty trailer. You know what that means. My mom's friend has like a refrigerator, a freezer, and like all bunch of metals for me. So let's go see what they got. You got a refrigerator or freezer or whatever they are. Got an aluminum rim and then all this pipe. Sweet. That's a nice one. There you go. Refrigerator, freezer, and all that scrap metal on the back. Not great, but not bad. At least I got aluminum rim. Alright, we're gonna get all this scrap in the trailer. If I can move the trailer, I'm gonna hook this trailer up to my truck because we got a pickup. What did we get? Alright, you know my buddy Steve, he always hooks me up with scrap. Well, his cousin has a Jeep and wants me to take it to the scrapyard for him, and he said he'll give me some money. So we're gonna do that for him. He said it runs enough to get it on the trailer because as of now I still don't have a winch, but we're gonna get one. But I have all this scrap I'm gonna put on the trailer and get this area cleaned up. I need to get a bigger trailer, but it's filled up. Got the 3 propane tanks. These propane tanks are shot. Like, I can't sell these. 2 refrigerator freezers, a grill, a bunch of little miscellaneous stuff. I can fill it up. I got all this stuff I still got to do. And then tomorrow's video is going to be about these 3 pool heaters. And all these copper bearing motors. Let's put these in the back. I have a little tub for them. This tub, not bad. 55-gallon drum, filled up with these copper bearing motors. I gotta take these in one day. We got we have extruded aluminum, rain gutters, got some sealed units, aluminum cans, all these heavy metals, these really thick window weights. Alright, got the trailer attached. We're going to pick up this Jeep. I don't know what year it is. I guess it's an older Jeep. He had it on his property for a while and he just wants to get rid of it. So let's go to the scrapyard, see how much we get, and see how much I get paid. I think he's giving me $100, but hey, $100 is $100. I have to drive 14 miles to his house, then probably like 6 miles to the scrapyard, and then like 20 miles back home. So hey, not bad. Good thing I didn't drive away. I looked for my GoPro. I'm like, no way. I left it on top of the... But Steve, your cousin's real cool. He gave me 140 bucks. He only got $200 for that. Like, what a ripoff. Like, he gave me he gave me how much as much money that he made scrapping it. But I don't know if you catch this vlog, but thank you so much. And actually, I'm coming back to the scrapyard. I gotta empty my trailer and we're gonna go pick up from a new client. All right, just to recap, 2 refrigerators, propane tanks, a grill, and a couple little scraps. So not much, but I need my trailer empty. So I'm going to get a stove, refrigerator, and an air conditioner. So let's go! All right, I weighed 880 pounds. It's 130 pounds a gross ton. So it went down $5 for $51.07. So 51 bucks is 51 bucks. Now we gotta go to this address that lady texted me. I'm hoping this is it. The GPS says it is. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's back there. Okay, I'm at the right place. John Deere. All right, air conditioner, stove, I guess this too, and the refrigerator. She said it's under the tarp, but I'll leave the tarp. It looks like a nice one. We could sell some parts. There we go. We got a air conditioner, a stove, a grass cutter, vintage one, and this refrigerator. Refrigerator's nice. A little moldy inside, but these are worth like 15 bucks each, and the handles about 10 or 15 bucks each, so we'll make some money. All right, I don't know if you can see that far away, but the neighbor is like a car dealership little thing, and I see a water heater and a chair. So let's go across the street and pick those up before someone else does. I just seen them put them out. Yeah, water heater and a plastic chair. I thought that was metal. That chair is aluminum, but nope. All right, not bad. Water heater from the neighbor. They took out this piece of brass, but they didn't take out this piece of brass. So sweet. It's getting dark, so let's package up my eBay. And I posted a bunch of stuff on eBay, but I sold 3 things today. I sold this. Is called the Road Trip. 2 outlets, 2 USB ports, anywhere. It just hooks up to your cigarette lighter. I sold that for $29.95, and I bought this at a church sale for $2. And then I sold a DVD. It's another one that is actually open. This is the second one I sold that is open. I sold that for $9.95 plus shipping. And I sold this washer actuating motor for $14.95. So not bad. So if you want to see me part out that refrigerator, check out the next video. Go out and explore more.